Hello everyone, this is Satya Nikhil. You're watching me on my YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to talk about blaming. We all blame everyone, literally everyone around us in our life. And in this video let's talk about why do we blame, from where does it come, and what the hell you should do about it. And as always, let the intro begin. Let's talk about blaming. We'll see, when regarding any emotion, I'm very curious about the essence. From where the hell does it come? Of course, पूरा ब्लेमिंग का, पूरा बताने का, पूरा टॉपिक के लिए जस्टिफाई करने का बहुत टाइम लगेगा, बट ये तुम्हें ऑलमोस्ट एक फॉर्मूला जैसे वर्कआउट करेगा. सो मेक श्योर टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस. सी, इमेजिन अभी कुछ मिस्टेक हुआ है. ब्लेमिंग कब स्टार्ट होता है? पहले कुछ मिस्टेक होनी चाहिए. अब मिस्टेक हैपन्स इन योर ऑफिस, हो सकता है टीम में, हो सकता है wherever it is, a mistake takes place. And after that, when you are feeling an authority, when you are feeling the mistake, the person responsible for the mistake is the other person, you will blame them. This is how it generally happens. And I'm gonna tell you an amazing truth here. If a person is super responsible about anything that he's doing, he's never going to blame anyone in that aspect. They're going to acknowledge it, he's going to acknowledge it, and then he's going to correct it and move ahead. When you're really interested in something, interested in an action to happen, even when a mistake takes place while it is happening, you will not blame anyone. But if you are blaming anyone, it clearly shows that your lack of responsibility in that activity, and you only are possessing authority on it and not interest. You get my point, right? The most funny thing about blaming is, which I have observed in myself, which I have observed in other people. See, एक बात होता है ना, हम सब में, we know the goddamn truth. You know the truth and I know the truth. And we might lie to us, we might lie to other people, we might even lie to ourselves, but there's always a point. We know that when we are lying. Blaming is equal to literally an escapist behavior. Blaming is only making you more of someone who's just looking to escape. अगर तुम regarding any activity, regarding any action, कुछ काम है, if you are blaming someone, it is clearly showing that everything that they are responsible regarding it, and you are not. You are only becoming more of an escapist, and it is a triad of an escapist. Blaming affects our self-esteem in a very interesting way. I want you to listen to it. See, imagine this. We all blame other people. This happens to all of us. So imagine like you have a big shield. You are your self-esteem. You know what is self-esteem, right? You are your goddamn self-esteem, self-respect and everything, your confidence and everything, okay? And there is a big shield and a defense mechanism, which is you blaming others for your life, for your profession, for whatever it is. The big shield of defense mechanism, here. I hope I can put an image here. Yeah. This is your defense mechanism, this shield. And every time you blame other people, that shield is that blame. You're using the defense mechanism of blaming to defend your self-esteem, to protect your self-esteem, to protect your self-respect from yourself. You're lying to yourself in most of the times. कभी कभी situations है जब वो सच भी हो सकता है, लेकिन most of the times you only lie to yourself to protect yourself, to protect your self-esteem. And now here's what happens is interesting. Every time you blame someone, the same blame you're using to defend yourself is the same blame that is attacking it. Shield भी यहाँ blaming है, the arrow is also blaming. The more your arrow hits on your shield, the more your blaming mechanism is getting destroyed, the more you're being aware that it is a goddamn lie you're lying to yourself. Someday the shield is gonna break and your blamings will start to directly affect you. Directly, literally affect you. And I'm saying this because I've gone through this experience. See, the more and more you use the blaming mechanism, the more and more it's only going to affect you. And what happens later is, once that arrows of blaming hit you directly, one, you will really literally understand how much damage it is doing to your self-esteem. the more of an escapist behavior you become, the more of lack of responsibility you encourage, the more of blaming you do is equal to the more damage of your self-esteem. It is literally simple math here. This is how much it affects your self-esteem, and once blaming affects your self-esteem, blaming other people affects your self-esteem, it is clearly a lack of growth. I always talk about it. I always prefer talking about growth and pain, the pain we have to face to really grow, you see. So when you are literally escaping from it, the leap of faith you have to take to grow, you are literally ignoring it, you are running away from it, and what happens? The lack of growth here is clearly visible. And after the lack of growth, I would love to add the point of lack of acceptance of reality. See, reality is filled with mistakes. ऐसा किसी काम नहीं होगा, no, there's no work in the world which can be done with perfection, with no mistakes. Mistakes होंगे, हर ऑफिस में mistakes होंगे, हर कंपनी में mistakes होंगे, but the acceptance behavior, and the more you live in the reality without blaming others and take responsibility about it, when you take charge about it, it's a whole different story. This is what blaming is about. I feel blaming is an absolute bullshit behavior, but it's really deep into us. So हम क्या करें? What to do about it? Blaming is such a behavior, right? It almost has become like a basic behavior of ours. Everyone blame some or the other. We blame other people, we blame situations, we blame our teachers, we blame our bosses, we blame so many things in our lives, right? Even sometimes we blame our friends and family also for the way we are feeling. That's how an extreme behavior this is. It's deeply rooted in us. So what do we do about it? Whenever a mistake happens, you have two options. One, acknowledge where it happened and fix it. Two, blame other people and escape from the pain. See, when you accept and acknowledge it, you are detecting the problem and you are prone to solve it rationally, and that is when it will work out. When you are not trying to solve it and you're trying to escape by blaming other people for your life and your problems, is when you are escaping, and that second option most probably will make you regret very soon. I like to stress this called an experience of pain. See, if there is a mistake which has happened, and if you take absolute responsibility about it, absolute responsibility, like you've contributed what you can, but you're taking full responsibility for the mistake, whichever the mistake has happened. When you take that full responsibility, you have few steps of pain to endure, to experience. When you experience and endure that steps of pain is when you take that growth in your brain. That pain is needed, that hit in the face is needed once in a while, especially when you're blaming someone. You don't have to blame anyone. If you're not able to detect it, just go through that experience of pain by taking full charge about something, and you'll know about the fun I'm talking about, and you'll know about the satisfaction I'm talking about. In blaming there are many types, you know. हम personal life में blame कर सकते हैं, professional life में blame कर सकते हैं, relationship में blame कर सकते हैं. But if you are blaming someone in your personal life, look into me, man. If you are blaming someone in your personal life, just think about it. Profession में चलता है, relationship में it's okay, it's acceptable. But if you are blaming someone for your personal happiness, you really have to think about what you're actually doing. You really have to think about your choices, decisions, and everything you are about. Why do I say this? Is we are all alone in this whole thing, in this whole journey. We are all goddamn alone. But we are with fellow travelers, and each and every goddamn traveler is alone. So when a bunch of alone people are traveling with each other, they only be with themselves they only be with themselves all the time. You only be with yourself all the time. So tell yourself the truth. Take charge of the shit you're ignoring and pick that responsibility bag. Endure the pain. Don't damn blame anyone. So I hope you like this video, and make sure to like this video and comment down below on what's your opinion, and share karo yaar, and subscribe to this channel. And as always, peace, and let the outro begin.